The very latest update from the National Hurricane Center on subtropical storm Nicole. It is transitioning to a fully tropical system. It is forecast to make landfall somewhere near the Treasure Coast of Florida as a minimal hurricane, and then it rides up through the peninsula and in through South Georgia. It looks like it's going to pass to the east, but we're going to see some impacts here in southwest Georgia. There's no doubt about that. But let's get you through our election day. Yes, today's that day. You know what I'm talking about. All right, temperatures in the mid-60s, mild start this morning. Low 70s, 9 o'clock, low 80s. So it's just going to be almost as warm as yesterday, or will it? Yesterday's high was 87, a degree shy from the record high. Today we're going with a high of 83. The other story is going to be the dropping humidity and the winds. They're out of the northeast at about 15 miles per hour. And you can see the humidity levels will drop when you start off with dew points in the mid-60s, and then much drier air punches in here out of the north and east. Evening planner, mild, 71 to 62. And with that dry air, temperatures tumble. We'll tank to 49 degrees, much cooler as we wake up on our Wednesday and turning breezy. There's that backdoor front coming in, and that's going to cool us down, bringing that much drier air into the area. Meantime, Nicole bearing down on the east coast of Florida. Again, the best chance of landfall will be along the Treasure Coast. However, the Space Coast and even the Gold Coast will be possible. Anything north of where the center is where the strongest onshore flows will be, and that's where the strongest storm surge will be. Biggest wave action as well. So it's north of where the center is. But you can see this model actually has it a little farther north, making a landfall near Cape Canaveral and then moving into the southeast part of our state. So we'll be watching this very, very carefully as we go. Either way, we are expecting at least a near impact or a direct impact. So we're going to see rain and wind as we go into Thursday. Cooler breezy on Wednesday, 49 to 70. On Thursday, 58 to 69, with rain likely by the afternoon and windy. Sustained winds out of the north-northeast, 25, gusts to 35, maybe even 40. And then Friday, we'll start off with rain and breezy. The best chance of rain will actually come Thursday night. It's up to about 100%. So we're expecting about an inch of rain here in the Albany area, maybe 2 to 3. I-75 eastward. 64 to 73 on your Friday, and that, of course, is Veterans Day. We do see some clearing by the end of Veterans Day, so maybe some of these ceremonies will come through unscathed. The winds will relax, and even cooler as we go into Saturday, 52 to 67. Today in Georgia, 5 to 7 a.m., we'll talk all about Nicole and that big chill that arrives this weekend.